Hi guys, how are you today? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money from home without zero investment. You can just download the app now. It's called Markaz app. As you can see the official page of Markaz app, we can see page welcome. We can we can put your number and an OTP sent by a message to us. Then verify it. Select your gender and then your age. Now our account has been created, so we can here see everything which type. You can see our rupees 1000 rupees voucher on and 10 orders. And first of all, to verify your account, you can type here your business name you can type here, and then type your address, the real address of your house where you live, and then type your business email. Now we can verify it. After verifying it, you see a huge collections of all things. You can search everything on it. After you see a page where everything can be drawn, you have to do nothing. You have to just only to copy it the link and send it to by Facebook page, groups, WhatsApp groups, and everything where you want, your family, your relatives, your your neighbors, and whatever they want, they you can you can do them for you. Just after seeing a huge collection on Markaz app, we can sell everything on Markaz app with a zero investment, because we don't need any money for it. It is just easy to say that everyone make money from home. In this, you are beginner in the you are in a beginner level. You can also take money from this by 100 rupees or 200 rupees or something you want to do. If you want to do something, you can come here to share the post, and with friends, families, and our relatives, and friends, who can see your page and deal with them. And order can proceed by Markaz app. You have nothing to do. You have only just to get customers on your page. Customer no one get on. Come on, Markaz app. You have to come. You have to order it whatever you want. You do nothing here. Only just copy paste. You can copy paste the image, description, and share project. You can continue and then send it to your relatives, family members. You can buy you can get a huge and massive amount from this. So I think this video gives you a lot of money. Hopefully all of you will be success in your life, because you are in a beginner level. So Allah take care of all. Goodbye.